That's better. That's better. Okay, so this is my first time. Okay. Let me start this video over. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my I'm looking at the thing. Oh my god, I'm so dumb at making these videos. Let me start over. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a, I don't know if it's unboxing or whatever, but this is my first time getting the Ipsy bag. It's my first time doing it, and this is a March bag, and I kind of wanted to do it to, like, I already saw what was inside. I saw it through like that little app thingy. I'm not really a unboxing person, so I don't really know, but this is what the bag looks like. I feel like I jumped right in. I don't know how to do these, so I really don't know how to do these bags, so I'm just gonna, I guess, just get right in. I'm not wearing any makeup because I don't be wearing makeup like that. Let's see what's in here. What's this? Ipsy giveaway for days. Oh, it tells me what I got. Okay. I don't need that. So I'm just gonna dive right into the goodies. So here it says this is for your brows. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna try these on camera. So I'm taking my glasses off. Wow, look at these under eyes. Okay. Never mind. I take that back. Put them back on for the time being. Okay. Let me see how I eat. Just trying to open this. Okay. I feel so dumb making one of these videos because I don't really be making videos like this. But I thought it would be great to just open it on camera. I don't know, maybe somebody wants to know what this bag brought inside in case they want to get a subscription themselves. Why is that so, that's stuck all over my dresser. Oh, my nose is so itchy. Okay, so does it open from this side or this side? I feel so dumb. Okay, wow, it's eating me. Oh, this is a little spoolie for your, for my non-done eyebrows. I haven't done my eyebrows in forever. I don't pluck my eyebrows. I can't. I feel like I'm not looking at you guys. I feel like I'm looking at myself. Maybe I should be looking up there. So I guess this is that. This is, I think this is like the color is peanut butter. This is by Scone, a brow wand. I feel like this is a nice color. Okay. Oh, okay. Look at that. I'll do a little swatchy. Feels kind of dry. Is it supposed to be dry? That's the color. Wow, I promise it does not look this bright in person. It looks darker. It looks like a dark brown kind of ish. So that's that. I'm gonna check the other thing in here. I'm gonna be trying on everything that I get. So this is a lip balm. It's in the color Island Mint. I feel like I'm not good at these. I promise I'll try to get better. Oh, I know how to do is twist it. It smells really good. I'm gonna try it out right now. Okay, I mean, that's good. I mean, it's not that cold outside for like lip balm, but I guess it's never bad enough to like have them. It's by a brand called Hanalei. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's what it looks like. Okay, let me show you the brow pencil, maybe from up close so you can like see. It's by probably can't see nothing, but that's what it is. I'm gonna move on to the next item. Am I doing this too fast? Oh, I got 6 items in here. That was 5. This is this is by the brand Yensa. It's a BC foundation, full coverage foundation, and has SP40. Hopefully it's in my color. I'm just gonna put it on my face. If I break out, then I broke out. I'm gonna just try with my finger. Whoa. It looks okay. Who knows? It probably looks okay on camera, and then when I go outside, I look like a freaking Cheeto. Doesn't look that bad for my skin. I'm gonna leave that on for the rest of the video and see how it sits. Okay, and I feel like a clown now. See? I mean, we'll see how that works. Kind of like it. It does not look this light on camera, I promise. It looks like a little darker. It looks like it's matching my skin tone, but I guess this light that I have is making it seem that way. So this is a Lottie Shimmer Squad. It's a highlighter, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that and see. I feel like I'm not doing this good enough. I feel like I just jumped right in the video. Oh, is this like one of them things where if you have like one of them palettes and you like the magnet, did I just break it? No, I didn't break it. Oops. Horrible. Why are you still watching this video? Oh my gosh. Okay, I got it. So, kind of don't like the packaging. I feel like they should have, I don't know why it's like that, but that's my opinion. Is this a highlight? Let me see. You get a little more so you can see. I like the color. What color is this? Okay, I guess I don't know. I can't see the color on there. Where was that? Right here. It's not that bad. Whoa, that's nice on the face. What? Look at that. I look ugly. Oh my god. Why am I still making this video? But anyway, let's move on to the... Wait, how many products did I open already? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 6. Did I say that there's 6 up here? Yeah, I think I already said that. What is this? I guess I can see through the packaging. It's a brand by Wander Beauty. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. We're about to find out right now. Okay. I guess I should have pre-opened these things. I'm about to do this and open it because my nails aren't letting me. Okay, I got it with the pencil. I don't know what this is. This might be another... You know what? Maybe I should have read that thing that I threw on the floor. So let me go get it. I feel I haven't looked at you guys in like 2 minutes. What am I doing? I guess this would be useful. This is a bronzer. Let me use a finger that I haven't used yet and then put it right here. I don't know if you can really see this on camera. I'm just putting it on my face. I'm putting everything on my face. That's what this video is for, right? Okay, I guess I can use this maybe in the future. I like this. I think it has like a little magnet. Yeah, it has like a little magnet key thingy. Like, yeah. So that's that bronzer. And then I think there's one more item here. Yep. This is by a brand called Tatcha, and it says the Dewy Skin Cream. Let me see what this is. This is a skin cream. George's name. Skin for dull, dry skin. Pop this in your fridge. Well, I guess I can't pop nothing in the fridge because I'm making a video. I'm in the middle of filming, so. I'm so horrible. I'll try to be prepared next month because after all I have, oh, it's purple. It smells, I don't know, reminds me of like roses or something. I might be wrong. So, since I've already done a lot on his face with the highlighter, the bronzer, and the foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here. It feels cool. Like, not cool as in cool, like cool as in like cold, but maybe it's not supposed to do that. Maybe it's just me. So that's nice size. It's very creamy. Here I am wasting. Oh my god, I keep looking at myself. Oh my gosh, this is a bad video. Whatever. Replenishing Japanese purple rice. Okay, purple rice. Is there such thing as purple rice? Is that just made up? I don't know. So I got 6 products. I don't know if one was a like surprise product that they put in there, or if deluxe sample, full size, deluxe sample, deluxe sample. Okay, so these little ones were all samples. This one was a sample. This one was a sample. And this one was a sample. And so was this one. These 2 are full size products. Obviously, it was gonna give you a little tiny chapstick, but this is a full size product, and it's eyebrow thing. Oh, maybe I should have done one of my eyebrows on camera. I feel like this video is all over the place, so let me try. My eyebrows aren't even done, so let's see how they. This is hard to open. Okay. What do I just brush my eyebrows first? Okay, maybe now I have to take my glasses off. Let's see. Can I see what I'm doing? I can't see what I'm doing. I have to put these back on. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I don't know how to do my eyebrows. I'll learn with time. I think maybe it's supposed to be a little dry. Maybe I should have like a little mirror here next time. I'm looking at the mirror over there. Oh, at least I'm still in frame. I don't know if I see a difference. I see a difference in myself, like in my mirror. I guess this goes on this end. I don't know. I'm not a makeup person. So that was that. I don't know, this video's all over the place. I guess if you watched it till the end, congratulations. But that's the end of this video. And I like the little bag that it came with. I can't wait to see what next month's bag brings. And thank you for watching this video. And I'll see y'all next time. And if you guys want to subscribe, then go ahead. All right, bye.